Divya, first, I mean, these moments must be so emotional for you. You must have waited so many years for something like this to take place. Just to give our audience context, Divya Salaskar's father was, of course, one of Mumbai's top cops, and he lost his life in the line of duty as he fought the terrorists who waged war against India. You're seeing some of those images there. So our salutes to Mr. Salaskar from all of us today before we ask you to share what you're thinking, what you're feeling.
I understand that there had to be some help, probably, which these guys had, which was internal and which was from India. Are we really worried about, we know Headley's involvement, we know Hafiz Saeed, and we know Pakistan's involvement. These are the names which are already been there on paper, in the media, everywhere. But will Thabur Rana's, extradition and he being presented in to the NIA, will it reveal some Indian names, and will it be somebody that some people whom we have known, or these kind of things are which get to me emotionally a lot, because without internal help I don't believe anything of this was possible. So if we come across those names, and sometimes I do think that in the span of 17 years, if I have come across that person, it's going to be a very hard-hitting, different kind of truth for me. As being Vijay Salaskar's daughter, it is a matter of great pride for me that, okay, I know it's a little delayed, and 17 years later we've got Thabur Rana, but I think it is important. It's a very significant step that has happened towards getting more answers, punishing the perpetrators of 26/11. I think closure is a step-by-step process. So when Ajmal Kasab was first hanged, it was some amount of closure. Now that Thabur Rana is here, maybe, let's see how things go and what kind of closure that brings.
As you look towards Rana's testimony, as you look for closure, what are you looking for as a daughter?
All as family members, we are looking for Pakistan to pay for what they did to our beloved city, to our country, what they have been consistently doing over the years. So yes, I think closure would definitely mean when we get Hafiz Saeed and he is tried in Indian courts, and that is when true justice will be served. Definitely, like I said, my version of closure is going to be a step-by-step process. But yes, that is, if you ask me, as families, what do we want? We would want every perpetrator associated with 26/11, internal, external, doesn't matter. They have to pay for their actions.
Absolutely.